Genius, you have a new mission. Take the drone and fly at 5 AM in the morning. Remember, you should follow all the rules and don't fly over the hotel. Be careful and take the most incredible shots. Nobody has flied here before. Roger that. Let's go. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our last day here in the paradise. Genius family, this morning was beautiful, but now it's raining. Weather here is crazy, but it's beautiful. Beautiful, amazing, incredible, unbelievable. Okay, this morning we flew a drone, and now we're going to take our breakfast because it's included, and I just looking for the reception because I don't know where I am. This is like a labyrinth. I always get lost here. It's incredible. It's the next. First, breakfast. Then I have to pick up the snorkel and all these things because this afternoon we're going to look for some turtles. I will film it. I try to check out at 12 o'clock and 4 PM I have to leave this incredible island, go to the airport and back to Melbourne. Incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We finished our deep diving today. We saw some turtles, sharks again. Beautiful, incredible, amazing. If you came here, that's one of the things you have to do. Yes or yes. Or yes. Yeah. If you have the possibility to dive, do it. And don't be afraid. I was afraid. And I was losing some incredible things there. But I'm happy. I'm very happy who I am now. Genius! Maximus Genius. Beautiful Genius family. Genius family, I think I have the picture. Incredible, amazing, unbelievable picture. And yes, what I'm going to do now is I really don't know what I'm going to do now. I have 2 hours and yeah, this is my last 2 hours here in the paradise. So I have the picture. If you want to see this picture, go into our Instagram account and give him love. Really nice. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of this trip. See you next trip is gonna be. See you next video is gonna be some kind of documentary in Australia, and then we're going to be in Bali. Bali is waiting for us. If you haven't subscribed now, don't forget to do it and join the new Genius family on YouTube.